Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am collecting glowstone. This to my phone. For today I am creating our phone with these blocks. These colorful blocks carry from this space. So another. So let's start. Where is my sack fell? I am very slowly. Oh, where I am going? Okay, let's go. I am. Hey guys, Puffer Block. This is Puffer Block. Oh, it's still there. Now another block. So this is that block. Oh, this is orange block. Now I ship another block. Where is another block? Okay, let's start. This is yellow block. This is for my house. And then I will create my own house. Oh, this is 4 block. That's yellow, purple. And this is so much block. There is so much block. Where is my cycle? Beep, 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 beep. Oh, this is pink one. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, there's fire on. No problem. Oh, there is too much block. Oh, there are 3 blocks on my back. I am collecting too much block. Hey guys, thank you for watching me. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share. Oh, this is the green one. Oh no, turn down. Oh, there is too much block. Left there. Alright. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. shit! Hello kids, who are you? Today I'm collecting blocks. This is me, Honey. My name is Honey. I'm collecting blocks for my house. Later I will build my house. Oh, they're too much. I don't find it. Again, I am collecting all these blocks to build my house. So say, keep watching. It is my cycle. Okay, guys, let's see again. Beep 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 beep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or 75 dawns. Don't worry. Beep 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 beep. My cycle marble, please. Okay, guys, I am collecting all these blocks here. Build my own house. Thank you for watching. Keep watching. In the next video, I will build my own house. So keep watching, keep subscribing, and enjoy my videos. Oh, this here I built my own garage. Oh, look at these. This is fantastic. Guys, you like this? If you like this, hit like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.